last person I should be having this conversation with right now. After what happened to Sonia. But that aside, she's about doing something.
What do I have to discuss about Sonia?
Very angry with you. And I'm still much angry with you. But let's not talk about it now. She's about doing something that might ruin her life or land her to jail for life.
I'm listening.
She wants to kill the prince.
What? Why would she even think of that? Is she stupid or something?
I've cautioned her and also advised her against it. But she don't want to listen to me anymore. And as it stands right now, she might engage people to get that job done for her. Please, I need you to stop her, please.
I don't understand. Who are you? Why? My bag. Please give me my bag. My bag. Please give me my bag. Now give me my bag.
Give her the bag.
Oga.
Give her the bag.
You mind yourself. Just mind yourself.
Oh my God.
Now, this man. Come on. Hey! Give her the key. Give her the key now.
Oh my God.
Okay, look at this man.
Oh my God. Ah! Don't! Oh my God. 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 Yes, I'm okay.
I feel fine.
I'm okay. Why? Oh my God. Why did you come to the garden for 2 days now?
Are you serious?
Yes, you heard me.
You should be saying thank you for saving your life.
Really? Now listen to me. Any day you miss my section, you will repeat. Did I make myself clear? If you miss a day, just know that you're going to start afresh. And once you're back, you're going to start afresh so that you will know that you are here for serious business and not for jokes. Thank you for saving my life. And the way you beat up that guy, that was too bad. It's an eyesore to my eyes. Please, you need to be refixed.
What the hell are you up to, Sonia?
And what are you doing here?
Listen, I need you to stop pretending. Amaka told me everything already. And you need to stop.
I repeat again. What are you doing in my house?
Listen to me, Sonia. I'm not joking with you. I need you to let me handle this my own way, okay?
And who are you to order me around? Who are you to tell me what to do and what not to do?
Sonia, stop!
Please.
Stop it! Listen. I'm here out of the respect that I have for you. And because part of me still cares so much about you. Allow me to handle this. And stop trying to kill the prince. I will not warn you again.
Blah blah. Get out! Leave! Stupid man. Amobi, you are a dead man. That's it.
You know, I don't even know why I keep coming here. Because you are annoying. Yes, when I say you are annoying, I mean every word of it. You are annoying. Anyways, I'm here. What are we doing today?
You will let me know when you're ready. So I can commence with today's section.
I'm ready, but I'm not going to stand here doing nothing and watch you all day.
Mr. Man, do you need my help? And do you want to be saved? You listen and keep quiet and watch. Please, don't disturb me.
Hey. When you get to Hogod, I'll be a meme wash back again.
This lady that wants you dead.
And she paid us heavily.
Like very handsomely. To get you down.
You know, at this point of my life, I've known the difference between the drum and the drummer itself. It's settled. She just sealed her own fate.
So as you know, like I was saying, today I will be teaching you different types of soil. So we have 3 different types of soil. We have the loamy soil, we have the sandy soil, we have the clay soil. That's the one they use in molding. So, but if you mix the combination of sandy and the loamy soil, will give you better nutrients to your flower. It's good to use to cultivate your flower. It has high pH level and it contains a lot of protein for your flowers.
Loamy soil.
Yes.
Is that why you are here? Why are you teaching me what I don't need? This thing has no link to my problem. I'm here for anger issues. Tell me how to manage my anger. Stop teaching me about soils.
Mr. Man, I hope you've been listening to my lectures, because after this section, I am going to ask you questions, and if you don't answer it, you will repeat this section.
Teacher, don't teach me nonsense. I have been listening to you, but you're not making sense to me. You're not making sense to me. What am I supposed to do with this? Clay soil, loamy soil, sandy soil? No! It's not in sync with why I'm here.
So what condition are you here for?
Anger. Anger management. Teach me how to control my temper, because I am already losing it on you.
Oh, it's obvious you are irredeemable. Else, you would have been understanding everything I've been teaching you here. I am not deaf and I'm not dumb. So you better listen to me or you get out if you're not ready.
I'm not interested in flowers.
Forever. Oh my goodness. Wow. Anyway, don't mind him. He's just a madman. Okay? So, we continue. Yeah.
Son? No one told me you sent for me.
I did not send for you. I only came here with your mother to let you know about our decision to fly you abroad so that you can meet with international therapists that can take care of your condition.
Yes, my son. You know, the therapists we have here in the country are not of help to you. We've thought about it and decided it's better for you to go out there in a foreign land to seek for help.
No matter what, I don't like traveling out of this country. I am not interested.
My son, you know you are our only son. We want the best for you. The only thing we ask of you now is to give us that chance, the chance to do it for you. We know and believe that you will become better.
Are you done?
Trust me, son. Dozier, all we need from you is to make this positive decision. They will do a lot to help your condition.
Go on my behalf.
Well, Diana, the flower girl, I just want to say thank you for the little time you spent with my brother and the things you have done for him. And my parents have decided to send him abroad. Yes, to seek for a better and best therapist. So, he will be traveling soon.
You're welcome, my princess, but do you think sending your brother abroad to meet with a therapist is the best for him?
Well, I can't really say, but if that would be best for him, I'm in support of it. Anything that will bring my brother back to his normal self, whatever that will just make him feel alright, I am in support of it.
My princess, like I told you before, your brother is the only one who can help himself. Yes, his willingness for change is the only thing that can help your brother. Anyway, I have some flowers that can help a broken heart.
This is why I am disappointed. Why didn't you give him some flowers? That was what I heard before coming to you. That you give flowers to people and heal them. So what happened to my brother?
There are no flowers here that can do magic. No, none at all. In your brother's case, none of them will work for him because he has not even accepted the fact that he has a problem. Secondly, the anger your brother has is not a momentary anger. It's beyond that. It's an anger that runs through the vein and his bloodstream.
Are you saying that my brother is cursed?
My princess, I haven't said so. But from the look of things and his behavior, I can say from my observation, your brother is under a spell. And you sending him abroad to meet a therapist will only be waste of money and time.
So, what are you advising?
I advise, if your brother must travel to abroad, he should first go and meet a horticulturist or a florist like me that grows flowers.
Must it be someone that grows flowers? Huh?
Yes, my princess. Because growing flowers demands a lot of patience, perseverance. Flowers are very delicate in nature. They want so much care. Flowers are like babies. They communicate like human beings. So anyone that grows flowers knows that flowers demand a lot of attention and needs patience. Your brother, that's exactly what he needs. You know, from the beginning when you're growing flowers, it doesn't make sense. It looks like, oh, you're playing. But when the flowers grows, the beauty and the aroma that comes from the flowers can mend a broken and a troubled heart. And that's what your brother needs.
Wicked soul.
Meaning?
What do you mean by meaning? Are you not wicked? Sonia loves you. She was even ready to give up anything just for you. The fact that you even make her to believe that the feeling we are mutual is what I don't understand. It's okay. But to the point of beating her to the point that she lost your own child and her womb, are you not such a wicked man?
I don't care how you perceive me. But the next time you stop me to talk bullshit, I will use my jack on you.
I don't blame you. It's Sonia that I blame that couldn't see your heart early enough. As for me, I don't even believe I even need any socier to tell me how evil you are. You don't deserve anything good. And I promise you, God will punish you. He will judge you and visit you.
I like the fact that you said God will judge me. Better, because you are not my level. Let him treat me the way he feels. Fine. I will tolerate that from him, but I will not tolerate that from you. Be careful.
And or else?
I will beat you here and now.
Oh yeah, beat me. Oh yeah, beat me. I'm here. Beat me, because that's the only thing you know how to do. Beat me.
Tolo. Thank
no,
you.
Come.
I'm busy.
Busy? Why are you running? Come and beat me. Woman beater. That's the only thing you know how to do. You can't even stand your fellow man. Come and beat me. I'm warfare. To think that you are twins. Useless set of human being.
This is strange.
I ran into that girl and she gave me the insult of my life.
Don't mind that bitch, that frustrated bitch. Maybe she has been wanting you to talk to her or something, but you never looked her in the face.
God forbid.
I know that you're going to say this.
Well, my parents are planning on sending me abroad to meet the world's best therapist to work on my anger issues.
Oh, wow. That's good news then.
Yes, but I'm not interested.
Why?
I don't know why my parents feel I have a problem. But for me, I'm fine.
My guy, you're not fine. You have anger issues and you get angry so easily.
Even if I have anger issues, is that enough reason to send me abroad in search for a solution? Okay, imagine this. My flight neighbor will be like, oh, I'm traveling to Germany to import this, to buy this machine. And I'll be like, oh, I'm traveling to Germany in search of a therapist to work on my anger issues. Dude, look at the way you're laughing at me now. I look stupid in that flight.
But to be honest, if flying you abroad to go see a therapist is the only thing that's going to solve these anger issues, I will support you, my friend. I mean, I will do anything for you. You're my guy.
Oh, bro, let's go somewhere, man. It's not that serious, please.
Hey! As a PK.
Babe, Sonia. 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 Somebody help! Sonia.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf.
Listen, if you are here to talk to me about traveling abroad, don't waste your time.
I don't think you should travel either.
It's like you are the only person seeing things from my own point of view.
Yes, because I don't think you need the help you want in abroad. You have the help here in Nigeria.
Whatever.
With Diana.
Excuse me? With who?
Diana.
Please don't even go there.
See, we got talking, right? And I told her about the plans our parents have in sending you abroad. And I even told her what I think about it. Next time you walk out of my garden, don't bother coming back. Did I make myself clear?
I find it difficult to say this. Anyways, I'm sorry.
It doesn't matter. Did I make myself clear? I will not repeat this section again. Agreed?
I heard you loud and clear.
Better. Excuse me.
What is the name of this flower?
Don't worry. I will teach you all of it. Just concentrate on what I'm doing. Okay? So when you do this, you smile. You're happy. You keep doing it. Yay.
Let me get this straight. Are you sure that his parents want to send him abroad?
Yes, Father.
How did you get to know this?
Prince told me himself. He told me that his father wants to send him abroad so he can seek for help. Which you and I know that is a total waste of time.
Yeah. Did you encourage him or disencourage him?
Come on, Father, what were you expecting? I encouraged him as well. Listen, Father, because I know that him traveling outside the country gives us the opportunity to destroy the king so that I can sit on that throne.
Yeah. If he leaves, the throne is ours.
Father, the throne is mine. Don't forget that.
Yeah. The throne is yours.
So this is the new garden. I am trying to plant flowers. You know, when you want to plant flowers in a new garden, you have to categorize it. You have to differentiate them from different colors and different species. You can plant all the flowers together. Am I making myself clear? And there are flowers that just grow once a year. You plant it once a year, they grow and they flourish. Those type of flowers are like marigold. You know marigold? You know impatis. So these are the kind of flowers that grow once a year. So with time, I am going to teach you everything. I hope you understand.
Yes, but I need to be jotting them down. I need a pen and paper.
You don't need to worry. Before you leave, I will give you a book that contains all these things so that when you get home, you will study it. While you're trying to, cultivate your flower, it will enable you. Is that okay?
It's fine.
Okay, so can you feel the flower? Gently. You have to be calm about it. You can feel it, right? So, like these flowers now, as you can see, they are all the same. So this is how you cultivate flowers. And you have to be patient to watch them grow.
Okay.
You understood, right? So this is how you plant it. So very soon, we're going to plant different types of flowers here with different colors. Because you can plant all flowers together. Am I understood?
Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. There is no teaching without audience. So I must commend you. Thank you for listening to me.
You're welcome. I enjoyed myself and I can't wait for us to continue tomorrow.
Yes, the time is 8 a.m. No African time. Understood?
All right. I will be here by 7:30 a.m.
Okay. Take care.
Father, I have thought about it properly. I'm not comfortable with traveling abroad just to seek for solution. Whatever we seek abroad can be found here.
But the therapist in this country doesn't seem to be helping your situation at all.
But I'm comfortable with the flower girl. Let's give her a chance to work on me.
The flower girl? I thought you said you don't like her method.
That was then. I now know her properly. I'm convinced she will have a solution to my problem.
Son, are you sure of what you just said?
Yes, Father.
I support you, my beloved brother. After listening to Diana, this flower girl, I am convinced that she is the only one who can help my brother. So, Mom, Dad, I support his decisions. Please.
It's okay. I just hope he's right with his decision.
That's right.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear.
Flower girl, how are you?
Fine. What time did you get here?
I told you. I will be here early enough.
I see. That's not the answer to my question. I said, what time did you get here?
I was here 7 a.m. on a dot.
Oh, quite impressive. I know it will be very, very inconveniencing for you as a prince.
Please. Start addressing me as a dossier. I don't think I'm mentally fit for that title, prince, for now.
Okay, you're welcome.
How was your night?
Very well. I just want to check up on my babies. How was your night? Okay. So, tell me, did you sleep well? Is that what? Did you sleep well? So, who is gisting me today? Okay. So, what are you saying? You said what? Oh, okay. As you can see this, so this is white fickles. Say white fickles.
White fickles.
Yes. So this says Madagascar periwinkle. That's it. The one with the purple. Periwinkle. Not the periwinkle they are eating, no. This is crown of thorns.
Okay.
And this is golden palm.
How come you know all their names?
Of course, this is what I do. And the book I gave to you, I have all of them listed inside the book. Maybe you haven't gone through it. So I know all of them. And this is a caliphate. We have so many. We have Queen of the Night. We have
Night.
Yes, sunflowers. Okay, it's down there, but I'll show you. I'll take you there. That one you can only perceive it at night. Yes, when you're sleeping, you can perceive it. You remember I told you about lavender, right? The one I told you can only help you sleep.
Oh.
Yes. The same way the Queen of the Night will help you. The aroma can caress you and make you feel so alive. So are you getting anything?
Yes, I'm trying to.
So can you recite it?
Huh?
I said you should recite it.
But I remember you said something about apple what?
No, a caliphate.
A caliphate, okay.
Yes.
Right.
This one is Madagascar periwinkle.
Madagascar periwinkle.
Yes, and this is, what did I call this? Golden palm.
Golden palm. Okay. What about the other one you mentioned? You said tatafo.
Oh, I said white ficus.
Oh, my bad. White ficus.
Yes. I hope you understand.
Yes.
So come with me. Let me show you more and teach you more.
Okay.
What did I call that?
You said the tatafo.
Ha! I said white ficus.
Okay, white ficus.
When you're touching my flowers, you touch it softly and gently, please. Okay, come in. You know what this is? You know already, right? Okay, come. So I'll be showing you more and teaching you more, so that later you will recite everything.
My heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete. My God, it feels like heaven. They speak to me and I listen. Makes me feel at peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete. Oh, my God, it feels like heaven. They speak to me and I listen. Makes me feel at peace. I believe in nature. Nature heals, nature heals, nature heals. Oh,
Why is this guy not gonna go?
So the seed I gave to you, when you get to the house, go to the backyard, plant it. But before you plant, make sure to taste the texture of the soil. Else, the flower will not grow. Am I understood?
Trust me, I will make you proud.
Thank you, but you don't have to make me proud. You have to make your family, yourself, and your community proud.
Yeah.
So I'll be visiting the palace to check up on the flower, but make sure to send me the picture when you're done.
Of course I will.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Any other thing?
No, but if there's anything you want me to do for you, like financial assistance, please feel free. Okay.
Thank you so much, my prince. You don't need to. Bye.
I don't think I'll be traveling out again.
What happened?
Whatever I'm going to look for abroad, I can find here with the help of Diana.
Diana? Who is Diana?
The flower girl I told you about.
Oh, she's the one you were telling me about, yeah.
That girl is good. You need to see how she operates. I mean, she trained flowers. And you know, training flowers is all about patience and tolerance. Because you might waste your time growing a flower and the flower will end up dying all of a sudden. So you have to regrow again. That process of patience is working on me. I'm beginning to enjoy it and it's helping me.
But my point is, I don't see how that can be of any help to you. Like you said, she grows flowers and that's what she does as a job. I don't see how that will solve your problem.
When something is working on me, I know. You see that girl's method? Trust me, it's perfectly working on me. I'm changing, I'm gradually changing. I don't easily get angry anymore. It's working, trust me.
Oh, I can see that it should have a good effect on you. Yeah. So now you know the names of flowers.
Of course.
My prince. Okay.
What do you mean that the prince is not traveling abroad again? Why the sudden change?
A flower girl, florist or whatever she calls herself.
The same florist that I talked to his father about.
Yes, father. The prince seems to be attracted to her and have decided to waste his time learning how to grow flowers.
Unbelievable.
Father, listen to me. I'm going to take that girl out of the picture. I'm not asking for your permission because I know you're not going to give it, okay?
Amobi, no. No.
You know, I know that you're going to say this and you still didn't disappoint me, Father. Goodbye. I'm tired of doing things your own way. I want to do things the way I wanted.
Oh no. Amobi! Get back here! How dare you walk out on me, Amobi?
I was just coming from the backyard and I saw some flowers being planted there. Who did that?
Yes, your son, the prince. He said he was given an assignment by the therapist to plant some flowers. So that's the assignment.
Wait, I'm not getting it right. Are you trying to tell me that my son, the prince, is the one that planted those flowers without any helper or someone helped him to do that?
Mom, I am as surprised as you are.
That's amazing. It's good. Wow, that's great. So who could have believed that the prince would stoop so low as to be patient with the soil to plant some flowers? It's a massive improvement for someone that has anger problem.
You're right, Mom, because me, I can't.
Wow, I'm quite impressed. Where is he?
He's in his room. I just left his room.
Let me go and congratulate him. He's doing well. That is it. Yes, that therapist is doing a wonderful work where he is.
Good job.
Let me see. That's good. Yeah.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love.
Hey, mister. What's the meaning of this you're doing in my gardens? What exactly are you doing? Wait, you're smoking in my garden? Please throw that away. Don't you know this is not good for the health of my flowers and for your own health too?
But this is the best place to smoke.
What are you saying? They are already complaining. They are not happy.
They don't like it.
They don't like it. Please throw it away.
Oh, sorry about that.
Sorry for yourself. I don't ever want to see you. Are you still smoking it? Have you thrown it away?
Sorry about that. I never knew. I thought. Anyway, sorry.
Sorry, my babies. Don't worry. He will stop. Today, I want to teach you the health benefit of flour. They have different types of flour that is good for your health, like Daisy. Daisy is good for what? For the improvement of your digestive organs. Are you listening to me? Jasmine. Jasmine is used for relaxation. With jasmine, you can relax. It helps your blood pressure. It calms down blood pressure. It promotes your productivity. Then when it comes to calendula, calendula flour can be used to cover wounds. You know wounds? When you have burns or something, that is what you use. Do I make myself clear? Can you explain, mention what I just stated?
I heard you said Katangana or something.
Calendula. How would you know? When you're busy smoking that thing.
It doesn't affect my thinking.
It doesn't affect your thinking? It does. Please.
Oh no! Yes, now. Your king is happy today. You will not believe it. My dear, the tremendous change, the improvement in my son's life is very, very massive and is worth celebrating.
Wait a minute. The same flower girl I told you that is valueless for him to go to?
The same flower girl. That same flower girl, ever since my son started seeing that flower girl, I don't know how the girl managed. Turned my son's life upside down to a better man. I am telling you, that boy is no more aggressive. He doesn't throw tantrums any longer. If you talk to him, he will reply you gently without getting angry and getting upset. Who am I? I'm happy.
My king, it's a huge improvement if you ask me.
Huge improvement,
Yes.
indeed. You can say that again. You see, that flower girl succeeded in turning my son's life to a better man. I am just happy. Huh? I just don't really know how to do this, but I think it calls for celebration. You see that flower girl? I will reward her bountifully. It calls for celebration. Hello, what do you think? Hello.
My king, I'm sorry. Yes. I do have once in a while this migraine headache that comes and goes. It's back up again. I think I have to go home.
You have it now?
Yes.
You want to have a rest or something?
I think I'll go home and...
Please, you better do.
Yes.
Please, at least this calls for celebration. We don't need any cups now.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf.
Wow. The flowers are healthy.
Thank you, and all thanks to your lectures. You know, I almost gave up when the initial ones I planted died. But I remember what you taught me about patience, so I didn't give up. I replanted these ones, and here we are today.
I am super proud of you. You know, you should be proud of yourself. A lot of people would have given up after first trial. Literally, I know you would have given up. But because you've already started understanding everything I've been teaching you, that's why you didn't give up, right?
Yes.
Oh, I see. That's so nice. I'm super proud of you.
Thank you.
You need to celebrate.
No, we have to celebrate.
We? But I don't drink.
For my sake, you can drink alcohol today. Then tomorrow you can continue your alcohol fast.
Okay, that's so nice. Wow. I had a nice time. I really enjoyed myself today.
The pleasure is mine. I'm glad I was able to make you laugh. Yes, because you're always serious with life and your flowers.
Of course, I need to be serious for you to understand the seriousness of the situation we're handling.
Oh, nice one. Thanks for everything.
I must say thank you so much for having me today. I had a nice time. Thank you.
The pleasure is mine.
So we call it a day?
All right.
All right, thank you.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Can I get a hug?
Oh, hug?
Yes.
Okay. Though I...
Flower girl. All right, take care.
All right, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
My regards to your flowers.
All right, they will share.
Mom, I think your son is in love. Did you observe that as well? I've noticed that and I said, let me just keep quiet and keep on watching. I've seen how she has been frequenting here with my son nowadays.
Exactly. Do you know I have been eardropping? Do you know what I mean?
I like that. It is good and it sounds good to my hearing. You know what? I like that girl and I would like her to be part of our family. Yeah, she is so special and she is good. She is a nice girl and precious.
I support that as well. I can't even wait. I just wish they'll get married tomorrow.
Have you forgotten that your father needs to give his approval first?
No. Do you need a soothsayer to tell you that father is in support of both of them? I'm sure you don't.
You need to, as in, wait for him to say it. Let him pronounce it first.
I know he does.
No, your charms have failed. A Mayflower girl ruined my dreams.
Impossible!
Impossible, you say? Yes. Have you seen the prince lately? You assured me that the prince will continue misbehaving and he will lose his parents' love and his father will die. Then my son Amobi will emerge. That's what you told me.
So shall it be?
So shall it be, you said?
Yes.
I would have slapped your face right now. Have you seen the prince lately? He is a changed man. Yes, he has regained his parents' love and care. What sort of nonsense have you done for me?
It can be.
What do you mean it can be?
What happened?
An ordinary flower girl did the magic. And you, stupid Akatwa, with your little gods and your power, you couldn't do anything for me. People, they come from afar to consult you for their problems. God knows that you are just a scam native doctor that is taking money from people for nothing. When I come back to you, you will give me all my money. All the money that I spent, you must give it back to me, or I'll make you look like this, like a sport.
Oh no!
Shut up!
Oh no!
I said shut up!
Watch yourself.
Watch who?
Watch yourself, oh no!
Who do you think you are? You are nobody! You just set up a shrine here taking money from people and doing nothing. What you told me that you did for me didn't work, did it? And if you open your mandibles again, I will put my fist in your mouth and your teeth gonna go into your brains.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Watch yourself, oh no! Watch yourself, oh no!
I said, shut up!
Oh no! You are crossing your boundary, oh no!
I say, shut up!
Wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear.
Father. He's done.
Oh, wonderful. Great! Wow. Has she been married?
Not yet, Father.
Smarten up. Bury her. Why are you wasting time? The prince must not trace anything about her. Do that.
But Father, what about the prince? I would like to bury the both of them together. I'm ready.
The prince is next on the line. I assure you, your father will make that happen. Yeah.
Okay.
Give me a high five.
I think she has been kidnapped.
What?
Yes. I've been calling her line and nobody's speaking. I went to her garden and saw her car, wide open with no one in it.
Wow.
So I think she was on her way home before she was abducted.
Calm down, son.
Father, don't tell me to calm down. I'm already in love with the flower girl. Sorry I've not told you people. So if anything happens to her, I'm finished.
My son, nothing will happen to her. Nothing will cut short your joy. We will find her. Again, I think we should do something. Maybe involve the police in this.
That's right. I'll call the DPO immediately. I'll tell all his men to go in search of her right away. I will do exactly that.
Good. And
Right.
the good thing is our phone is still ringing. So that means we can track it since it's an iPhone. I think I have somebody who does tracking of phones. Maybe I should just call him. Right, brother?
I need a moment to think.
Okay, just call the police first.
Okay, let me also get my phone and call the phone tracker.
Where am I? Oh my God. Where am I?
Oh.
Help! Please help me!
Shut up!
Why are you?
Shut up!
Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you? Why did you bring me here now?
I will bury you today for causing me so much pain.
Okay. What did I do to you? I've not even met you before. Have we met before?
I'm a friend to the so-called prince of this land, who have been my enemy over the ages. I've even made plans to eliminate him before he came into the picture to disrupt my plan.
The prince? You mean the prince? Please, Oga, I'm begging you in the name of God. I don't want to die. If I die, my flowers will wither. Please, Oga, I am ready to pay you. I will pay you any amount that you want. Please keep me alive.
Did he just say pay? You think that I'm poor? You think that I don't have money? I am Donowu's son. As a matter of fact, my father is richer than the king himself. I just want to sit on that stool of power.
God, please. I'm the only child of my parents. I don't want my flowers to die.
Well,
I don't want to die. I'm begging you. I would never come between you and the prince or your throne. Please just keep me alive. A lot of people are happy that I'm alive. I'm begging you, don't do this to me. Ah! Somebody help me!
It's too late now. Look.
Somebody help me! Oh! Look at me! Oh! Oh, baby! Baby! Oh! Baby!
No, you're dead! Sonia!
Somebody help me! Help me! Help me! Oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
Ah! That's a good the morning up. Don't go we back. You go check come ku yoku. Come ku yoku. Your Highness, the gods have finally spoken. Abumua. The mask is about to fall off to reveal the face of the enemies. Yes.
I can't wait. I can't wait to behold the face of the person causing me these pains these years. I cannot wait. Who is this person, Ezemo?
Your Highness, you will soon know the face. You will soon know the face of the person. The wait is no more. The patience is gone. Because the truth that was sunk, crushed to the sands, is about to rise again. Agwangeleje ala akranko na ebu yeso. Omuma ebu ngu ma na adire anko. Mana nkirikiri ka na ekire odeje odele. O ji aburu ahia tucha mu abu dele nwuru odu. Mu gwara gi. Ha! Ogwu gafe ofu oburu ogara ora. Boyo oburu so obra. Ha! Etogori. Iji tofu. Maka ndere emego sa. Ogara oka bu mu na ekwu.
Does this person have a name? Tell me, let me send him to afterlife.
Your Highness, he has name. You will soon know the name. Glory to the gods. Nemaja. Okirikiri ka na abo sa na ari elu. Yeah. Aba ese ku dele. Dokara ogu iba agba, leku, tofu, ogakara. Hey. Amara go se bite. Oso obubu ko ego. Anu mi ihe kwuru. Deme. Ọjà adịrị gị mma. Akwụlakwụla ụlọ ya na-agba ọkụ. Ọma windo were ekwentị ya ma windo ụlọ ya. Anụrụ m ihe kwuru. Ọjà anụ ya. Nyekwuo m ọjà. Okirikiri ka a na-arị otu a na-abụ otu. Okirikiri ka a na-abụ otu a na-arị elu.
My prince, please help me. Help me. Sonia wants to kill me. My prince, please.
Amobi, there is time for everything.
My prince, Sonia wants to kill me. Sonia wants to kill me. I will confess.
Amobi. The flower girl is missing. We are tracking her phone, so please, I'm busy.
My prince, please, I will confess. I have her. I'm serious. I wanted to bury her alive. Over there. My prince, please, you need to help me.
Mr. Man, you're under arrest.
My prince, stand up!
Move him to the vicinity first.
Where did you say you want to bury her?
Oh no, but why?
Why? You are my friend. I take you as my own blood brother. You bite me by the back. You betrayed me. What is your problem? You're even richer than me. You're richer than me. What actually is your problem, Onowu?
That is the problem. I have so much money, more than you. It's painful and degrading that I should bear the title Onowu while you be the king sitting on the throne.
Onowu, are you aware it is my birthright?
Your birthright, my arm. I have the money to make the world go round. Yes, I deserve the throne more than you.
Father, you should be referring to me and not to yourself.
Would you shut up? Would you shut up, Amobi? How dare you reason through your anus? Huh? Do you think your father, as vibrant as I am, will sit down, fold my arms, and watch you sit on the throne while I be your Onowu? Oh, come on. It's mission impossible.
Betrayer. Father, we had an agreement. How dare you do this to me?
Amobi, I'm totally disappointed in you and your father. I was rolling with you as my friend. I never knew you wanted the throne at all costs.
Getting rid of you is something that I've always wanted to do. If not, my father here made me believe in his ways. He made me believe that I will be king. He told me to keep on hold on you after killing the king. Listening to him is my biggest regret.
I wanted your son, the prince, to break your backbone, to break your heart, so that you would die of heart attack. What? I want to ruin him. I put a spell on him. Yes. And spin his medulla oblongata round to make him an awful person. I did that.
Oh no! Just wait. Are you trying to tell me that you are behind my son's terrible acts and behavior? How dare you!
Listen to me, idiot! I swear with my life, I swear with everything that I represent, I will deal with you decisively. I will use everything within my reach, every power within my reach to crush you. You will suffer till you die. You are nothing but a let me answer your question. You can hate me. You can love me. Do you see any remorse in me? No. All I know is that I did what my conscience said that I should do. No regret! And all I know is that I'm going to deal with you as the king of this kingdom with whatever that my conscience remains in my consciousness.
This flower girl here saved my life. And for that reason, I will make her my wife. Sorry I'm saying it here. I will make it official and present it in a proper way later. You both will rot in jail. Officers, move them.
Take these evil men out of here.
Just take it easy. Get out of my sight! I do not want to behold your face again until you are dead.
Demons, look at them. Worthless people.